takeover occasion, Andrea Drummond. Now, this is Andrea's final game as part of the Vancouver Giants staff. We wish her all the best in the new role at the Canadian Hockey League office. At this time, we'd like to call upon your newly named Vancouver Giants captain, Master Hussey, and Blazers captain, set ice for a ceremonial partner. Thank you,